Alright, I just came into ownership of a Foley chainsaw sharpener in the original box. Shipping date of 1983. Box has been open, but by looking at it, it doesn't appear to ever been taken out of the box. So it's a 308 Foley chainsaw grinder. So take the manual out. Looks like everything is still packaged. It's like everything might have just been peeked at. My uncle used to sharpen saws, so I've got quite a bit of Foley equipment been passed on to me. He's been gone over 20 years, so not sure what's in all these packages, but I'll get them out. Looks like a little bit of zinc corrosion. It's been sitting in the garage in Northwest Indiana. Let's see what's in here. Looks like all the staples have been ripped open, so it's at least been opened. Newspaper. Looks like a lampshade. Looks like a swing arm for clamp on a lamp.
Looks brand new.
Yeah. So this has definitely never been taken out of the box. Alright, looks like the main unit. It's in styrofoam. Alright, it's loose. Looks like it's meant to be mounted over the edge of the table. It's got forward and reverse. Got a little styrofoam stuck to the cord. Looks like it's shipped loose. Alright. Wiring looks good. Cord has never been unwound. Forward, reverse. Looks like it's locked for shipment. Here is the chain vise. Have to get the manual up, see what it's all about. Looks like everything's clamped down for shipping. There's the indexing claw. Let's see what else we got in the box. Anything? Package. Like grinding wheels. I'm just going to tear this open. Try to get it out. There we go. Brand new Foley manufacturer. Grinding wheel. Looks like only a single grinding wheel. I know they make them different widths for different chains. I'm thinking that's it. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So let's see what's in here. Get some cardboard packaging fuzz. Some kind of clamp. So a little bit of zinc oxide on it for being so old. Packing instruction sheet. Feels heavy, like there's still something else in there. Packaging envelope falling apart, so some kind of shims here. I think that's it. Let's see what's in this bag. It's like a little
plexiglass shield or something?
Yeah, a little plexiglass shield and a dressing stone. Screw up the grinding wheel. And more stuff in here. Another blanket of some sort. Like some bolts. That's it for that. So looks like everything. I'll follow the instructions put together. They're still in good shape. I'll get it put together and get it mounted on a bench and I'll continue the video.